Alright, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? It's nice and early. Not as early as I was trying to get here. I was trying to get here an hour ago, but still working on getting used to this pre-market schedule and working nights. But yeah, I'm literally just sitting down. See what we got. CMCT super range in a. Man, it just looks really. Hmm. Hmm. 940 for sure. Um, hmm. This ain't gonna show any of my lines I just drew. What's up with that? Lucy. Looking pretty thin to me. Especially on the buyer side. Hey, good morning, Larry. What's going on? Why are my lines not showing up on this side? That's weird. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. You trade? What do you trade? I'm just kind of tripping on why my lines aren't copied over here. Yeah. Why are my trend lines? I must have checked something to make my trend lines not global. Use Thinkorswim. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I've definitely thought. I feel like if I ever do futures, it's gonna be like that thing that I avoided for the longest amount of time, and then finally tried it. That's gonna be the story. Okay. Now these are being global to the right side of the chart. Okay, so like the right side, what is happening? 2 years. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Same to you, sir. Hit that like button for me. um, let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I think we need to see 8 over here on CMCT. I mean, this is something, but I don't know. Definitely a week break below 856. Hey, what up, Leon? All right, I feel like I'm spending too much time on this one. What else we got? Man, yesterday was awesome, Leon. Had a great day yesterday, bro. I went pretty red, like beyond reason, but I've been feeling things out. I feel like since I'm paper trading right now, I'm feeling more free to, keep trading or whatever. But as far as just like keeping track of how the day's going, I went down -5 R and then finished the day up 6 R. So it was like, and what happened was I just decided to zoom out and draw my levels on the higher time frame and just play those levels. At least that's what felt like what happened. Because I was kind of gunslinging when I first sat down, and it wasn't working out. And we might get that 8 level, but yeah, man, I've just been trying to play off the levels, man, and seems to be going in a positive direction. I'll say that. Um, I'm still kind of figuring it out. Like I've been doing the hourly and daily, like for major levels, and really, that's what's up. On the day trading side, you still trading um what do you call it? It's not, would you call it futures? NQ, yeah, NQ and momentum stocks. Okay, that's what's up. Um, two different patterns. SLRX. Uh-oh, I'm missing SLRX. this thing looks like crap on the daily. I guess it's got a gap up to 199. This looks like garbage. Garbage. What you think about SLRX, Leon? Tell me something. Tell me I'm wrong. Alright, we was looking at Lucy earlier. This looks like maybe it has a little, some kind of, this looks kind of crappy too. Lucy back down to 180-ish maybe. Yeah, okay, yeah, I remember looking at this and saying it looked thin. It's thin. Um, Yeah, it looks terrible. Yeah, I'd really be interested in CMCT back a little lower down here. A little lower. So over here kind of reluctant to pull this one up. Feel like it's too late now. Yeah, definitely ain't buying it up there. I like the movement though. Bro, I just sat down, man. I'm looking through them. So far, I like CMCT. I think I like this too, but it's kind of up there. But yeah, I'm just looking for some high volume action. FTCI. I think we'll keep an eye on this one. Yo, HH. Please read up on them. Give me the cliff notes real quick, HH. Trash. That's the cliff notes. Trash. I mean, I ain't trying to put them in my 401k or nothing. All right, so yesterday we finished up 64 bucks on $10 risk. I'm gonna reset it every day. Um, mm, what you like today, HH? Say when I pull this up. Oh yeah, let's check this out. It's looking kind of gross too, actually. I'm really trying to be patient on CMCT. Why are they popping today? Sale of lending division announces management changes. See, they're about to change all that stuff you talking about, HH. They got changes coming. They said we heard y'all. Okay, there's the volume coming in. Now it's too late. Guess I could have seen this as a little spark right there. Yo, what up, Trey? This is a kind of a clear line right here. But we'll see. There she goes. What you think of CMCT, Trey? I was sitting here trying to be patient for 8. And she moved on without me. It was still looking pretty weak though to me. Nah, you right, bro. Definitely right. Yeah. I think May's gonna need to chill for a bit. I don't really like anything. I like a maze, but it's in the midst of a very beautiful uptrend off of support. Very beautiful uptrend. And then miss CMCT. That's okay though. Hmm. 4 trades this month, huh? Less is definitely more. I don't think there's any doubts about that. VCIP. Is this relevant? This is all in range. Hey, anybody know why my trend lines are not being reflected on both sides? I have to link them. They were linked already, but what do I gotta do to link them? Link them back. Top right corner and chart settings. Yeah, that's facts, HH. Seeing it, yeah. Consistent. You have to be consistent. All right, we got a higher high on CMCT. Seeing here anyway. Rejection. And, okay. Hmm. 247 a share, man. That's awesome. Man, I got a super crazy squeeze yesterday from like what'd that go through trade? Like 8 to 11 or something. Hmm. Mm. Wow. That's the number, huh? Yeah, I was kind of tripping on that yesterday. How like I'm always eyeing the bigger trade, and I really overlook the whittle trade, the whittle trade, and the whittle trade is like super consistent compared to not the little trade. And just like just going back and forth in between small ranges can be really profitable instead of like me always trying to get back to high of day. But like if I look at the trade and say, how likely do I think I can get back to the high of this red candle right there? Something small like that, which is, you know, really not that much. But like if I got in right here and was like, all right, I'm getting out at 74, you know, 15, 20 cent right quick. And then held the rest for YOLO, you know. I'm pretty sure I put that order in. Oh,
Order filled.
might be a little too soon, but I'm betting on that fiver. Oh, is my friend screen frozen? Man, I restarted and everything. I thought that was gonna do it this morning. I got a wee bit too many shares on this one actually, but we'll live with it. What's this high? 20. Man, Amaze went off, bro. I wish I would have caught it sooner. I was lollygagging on that one. About to see if I'm gonna pay for jumping the gun because I really wanted it to come back down to 8, but it seems like when this volume came in, it just seems like it want to do something, and I like the 5 right here. This is pretty attractive right here on the 5, you know. So I had to go on and dive in. It's looking pretty good so far, eh? I feel like I should take some off through 9, but a big part of me wants to get to this high. Oh, oh, oh. Got some off right there,
Order
man.
filled.
I'm done staring the gifts in the face. We're not staring the gifts in the face, but I got my other 20 ready to come out up there too. Do that high. Man, actually, man, now I might as well go for 940 because that's a really good level, I thought. Yeah, man, definitely taking profits these days. That is a good high to take from. What is this high? It's 940. Yeah, let's go for the gusto. We got some profit locked. Screen still working? No. Screen frozen like a mug. Man, Amaze was looking real good though. Feeling kind of salty. Bro, I don't know. Yeah, I'm same setup I always use, bro. I haven't changed it. I don't think I've changed. You know what I've changed? I think I did an update. I knew I really didn't want to do that update, but it's just been bothering me, man. It's just like every day we want to update. And then some stuff don't work until you update. Then you update. It's like, oh yeah, that's better. But then overall, the system's just not as good. Yeah, but I don't know. It's just freezing. Like I gotta reset the capture like every couple minutes. Come on, hold that 9 for me. Bruh. Hold that 9. Oh yeah? Man, that's solid, bro. What kind of fast? Like from everything? Speaking of that, I brought myself a little drinky drink, a little water, a little Celsius packet. Hydration formation. Man, How do you feel? I mean, I know you're low on energy, but like, do you feel cleansed, light? Bruh, Amaze was so nice, bro. It was just late. Like, look how beautiful Amaze is. I can't even pull it up because it looked like I'm about to hit another TP. Hopefully. I should be taken out right there. Ugh. I know I should. I know I should. Come on, man. You could do it. 920. Ah. Just do what you should. Do what you know you should. Do what you know you should, bruh. It was right there. Yeah, no doubt, Trey. That's absolutely facts. I think that's one of the most powerful tools we've been given is the fast. Come on now. The mind can't live without the body. Bro, I got the most FOMO about a maze, bro. I guess it's Romo. Like, look at this mug on the 5, bro. Is it the most like, ugh, look how beautiful it is off support. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, man. That's all right, though, because we got CMCT over here. Man, nah, I believe it 100%. Hey, this is my first trade, Sal, and I already took profit, so I think we looking pretty good. I'm trying to get 940 is a pretty solid level. Trying to get it just underneath it. I think we can do it. You can do it. We can hold 9. Amount of cents per share. It really just depends on the pattern. And I don't really think about it like that at all. I think of it as distance to resistance. Oh, distance to resistance. And I try to just get in as close to support. And then, like, I haven't even really been predetermining my take profits before I enter. Like, I'm just like, all right, this looks like a good setup. This looks like a good entry. And then let's see where we go, you know? And then I take profit when I see it starts bumping his head. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Come on, baby. Trademark that. Come on, fam. You can't retrace that. A whole spike, bro. You can't retrace the whole pop, bro. If you enter not knowing that, how do you know where to get out? You mean on the bad side or the good side? Oh, I always know where I want to get out at. That's always super clear. That's always pre-decided before I get in. And that's how I base my share size. That's the known variable, how much I'm risking by dollar amount and the cents on the chart. And so what I would like for my reward is usually twice that. That's what I'm looking for. Like that's what I want my stats to show ideally at the end of the month. Yeah, I think that was my take profit right there, man. I want my stats to show 2R or so, but I really want to just sell the chart. Like when I got in right here, ideally I want 940 because that's my next level. But I see this high here and I see these all these topping tails right here. So when I see it bumping its head, I'm like, let's take a little profit out. It's just a little over 1 to 1. I actually kind of over risked on this trade. No, actually on this one I just risked to this level. So yeah, it's about 1 to 1 right there. 855, 782. Still ain't where I got caught. Well, I guess that's about where I caught my bounce, 855. Oh, is that a double bottom? Oh, if this can close over 9, that'll be really cool. You know what? A little pullback won't hurt. I just wish I got a sell off up here, to be honest. You buying at 11.15 straight up? Okay. Who else? It was OG. OG in here buys the breakouts, I think. Yeah, I get that, HH. That makes sense. Hmm. Oh, look at that volume. That's what I want to see right there. What time is it? 7:52. Come on with it, man. Stop faking. You know you want to go. It want $10 now. I can see it. Straight up TH. I got them for sale. Shoot. I like that candle right there. That was really nice. Nice bounce. Feeling pretty good. Damn, my bad. I might have to put like a little 2-minute timer on my desk to remind me to reset the screen capture. Man, I'm trading off the MacBook, bro. Today was the first day that I saw the graphics lagging, bro. Like opening new tabs on Chrome, like the slide out was like it was like lagging. I'm like, ah man. Yeah, it's time to build a PC again. Yeah, this mug was supposed to be a freaking rock star for at least the next 5 years, as much as this thing costs. Yeah, I know. What's up, Hamed? Is it Hamed? Am I saying it right? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I built one before and I gave it to my son because he wants to do graphic design. And so
Order
there we
filled.
go. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Can we get $10? We want $10. Mm-hmm. All right. If it dropped below 9, I'm out of there. That's still a lot to get back, honestly. But Lenovo. I was just like always kind of hated Windows. I really like my Mac, but oh, we are cooking over here, bro. Come on with that $10, man. We got two take profits. We could hold for 10. It's squeezing. Where else it's got to go? There's nowhere else to go. You gotta go to 10. What's up, OG? I was just talking about you. Well, I was mentioning Sal was asking if we got any breakout traders. Nothing today but woods. 964, bro. I want to sell something, man. I need to sell something, bro. Can we hold? Should I hold? I love how I'm feeling more inclined to sell, man. I've been real bad about that. Now I don't want to sell because it's red. Hey, I think we might get that 10 right now. Right now. Come on. What we doing? I wish I could see timing sales and all that good stuff. I missed that. All right.
Order filled.
Took 5 off right there. It just felt wrong not to. It's just like my last sale was down here at 940, so I'm happy to get one off over 50s. Yeah, there we go. I don't know. This is Trading View. I'm paper trading on Trading View, so I don't have expectations of the tools that I'm used to, so I haven't even looked. You bought a gaming laptop? That's what's up. We gotta change this to 10. What I do? Oh my god, what the heck did I just do? Oh my god. Stop playing, bro. That's hilarious. What was I doing? Okay, I was trying to change this. All right. Stop playing and get TOS. All right. To paper trade, you mean? This has been a bit frustrating. Because I'm definitely going back to my broker for December, God willing. That's the plan anyway. Hey, man, $10 incoming. I don't know. Who knows? It's already gone up a lot. Oh yeah, that's what's up, OG. Yeah, that's why that was my mindset when I bought the MacBook. Was that I can take it with me. I'll always have my trading machine with me, but it's kind of been lagging. How we doing over here? Frozen. What up, T Low? That's my dog. Come on, baby, hit that 10. That tension. That tension. Come on. What was that? Come on, baby. 988. Come on, baby. I know you want that. Yeah, spent the bag. What kind did you get, OG? Did you say already? Like an Alienware or something? Pre-market Tilo? Shoot, man. Come on, dog. Give me that 10. I'm so salty about Amaze, man. It's such a pretty chart. I was just late today, man. Come on now. Lenovo. Okay. Okay. That's what's up. How big is the screen? Is it like one of those monster joints? Ah, it's over. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that was a pretty big pop. I really was hoping for 10. We got to 988. Womp womp. I said I was gonna get out under 9. Let's get her ready. It was 980. Dang, bro. I definitely would have slid my TP down there. You know what? I think I had it kind of close to 980, and then I slid it up to 10, thinking that I might have mismarked it. We're about to find out. Make you want to add right there. Make you want to add back. 940 was definitely a level. It was super clear. Mm-hmm. 980. So the question is, do I take out the 980 or do I hold for the 10 spot? Let's split it. Oh man, I think I did it bad. Okay. I think we got it, yo. Ah.
Order filled.
Never mind. What we get? We got over 10. Let's go. What do we get? 1007. Hey. Let's go. It's funny, I can be doing this and still be looking over here at a maze like, man, I wish I got that trade. But like, we're freaking having a rock star trade over here. Freaking awesome, man. 5 shares for the YOLO. Back up here to pre-market high. 1106. Nice. Dulce. What's up? Did you still in there? You sell it all yet? How we looking? I see buyers coming in, yo. Man, what's this high? This would be the low key 1083 would be like a really non-greedy 1052 actually. I only got 5 shares left. Sold at 10. I got you. Yeah, I don't think there's a point to give this thing too much more room. This is pretty good volume right there. I mean, there's quite a few candles in a row. But I think it could probably hold 940 pretty well. Let's see what happens. What time is it? 8:07. Oh, screen froze. Yo. Little triangle forming, Trey. What's good? What's good? The buyers are buying, son. We in at 871. Highest sell 1007. Looking for 11. A dollar drop at any moment. Damn. Yeah. I'm expecting a dollar pop. I'm expecting a dollar pop at any moment. That might be my problem, though. A little too optimistic. See, this is what I mean about getting called into the trade, though. Like, even though it didn't make it to 8, seeing this volume come back in was like, man, hold up. And then seeing it, I was like, all right, and we come back down here to this little minor support area. Looks like ending volume for this little move, and then we get a nice little, like it's worth a shot. And 8 pretty good. 8 pretty good. Yeah, nah, he's definitely not wrong, and that's where I'd be messing up at because I'm always on the optimistic side of things. I'm never expecting the dollar drop. I'm always like it's about to keep going. But it's so due for a pullback right now. Like it's overly due. What up, Brian? Yeah, I really don't want to give back my little half a R, but I feel like we squeezed most of the juice out the orange. I think it's too bad of a thing to see if it'll grow a sprout another little sprout another little tree before you throw it out. Back over 10 here, I think is pretty cool. Got out at 10:06. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, I get mine is 10. My highest is 10:07, man, and it did 10:33. I'm looking for a lamb. Looking for a lamb. Man, I'm not even looking at other things. What anything else popping out there, guys? I've been good and focused on my one ticker, and it's paid off very well. I'm up 3.7 R. One trade, $2 flush. Oh man, this one right here, that thing is brutal. That's what you talking about right there, huh, OG? Yeah. Okay, I see it. Yeah, these drops are nasty, bro. Golly, you ain't lying. Dang. You could not hit the sell button fast enough. When you need to exit like that, Brian, what kind of order do you send? Sell bid, yeah. Do you need to do an offset or you just hit the bid and you're usually able to get out? On my DOS, I made pre-market buttons. I think I sold at the bid -1 or -2. Bro, that for real though, Trey. Straight up. Oh, no offset. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button for me, please. It's not screaming done, CMCT. Offset 10 cents to make sure you can get out, huh? Because it still has to give you the best price available, right? And Amaze looks so nice. The grass is always greener, bruh. Yeah, I didn't like either one of those either, Trey. I wanted to like something, but it looked bad. I don't know, man. I think if we get a little danceroo at 940, it could be another go. key. Yeah, none of those cool neato features work pre-market, unfortunately. I think it wants my money at 940, man. Just something light. I'm gonna do a dark entry back over the close. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. All right, I just added right there.
Order filled.
Just some light. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? I know that's pretty dangerous right here, but 940 was pretty solid. I'll risk down to this guy. Dang, 940 to 906. I definitely don't want to give back an R. $980 and $10.20 as resistance. Yeah, I'll happily get off. I'm gonna get off. I should sell through 980, honestly. I definitely want to sell some before 10, I think. I don't know if I want to sell as soon as 980 though. It makes sense. Yes, sirski. Like that ad. You gotta look at that volume, buddy. 940 was just such a good level, Hamed, and this volume into it right there, and then the wick back, it just screams to me. You know. Ah, man, my bad, Trex. This sucks, bro. I gotta figure this out. I gotta spend some time. VWAP. Yeah, 940. Oh, VWAP was there too? I didn't even pay attention to that, Brian. Yeah, 940 was that. That was that spot to buy for sure. I'm glad I took advantage of that. Yeah, buddy. Is that all we gonna get? Looks pretty cool on the 5 for now. About the 15. Yeah, anybody's game on the 15. I'd say it definitely looks more bullish though. Like being over the body of this candle is pretty cool. So let us see. It's going to flush into the open. Oh yeah, hold up. 819. Okay, we got time. We got time, OG. All right, I'm gonna sell into your other level you called out there, Trey, at 1017, just under 1020. See if we can get that out. Or if we break this low, I'm getting out for sure, break even. So that is 927, which is my average. Very nice. Very nice. Could definitely be backside, but could also be a really nice pullback and test to VWAP on the 5-minute chart in the midst of a glorious uptrend, which I am betting on at this moment. Come on, 1017, baby. Help them out, Bugs. Help them out. Screen's good. Ooh, look at them TPs. This is fun. This is fun. Yeah, Billy watching. It's getting close to the open though. What we got? We got 10 minutes. Chill out, Bucks. Yeah, I mean, if we hold VWAP in this low, I'm chilling. So, yeah, I'm chilling. That's a really nice, really nice on the 5, man. But the 15 looks super undecided. What's the hourly talking about? All greens. 9, what's this? 977. Do, 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 do. So is this it? This the only thing popping? And Amaze. Oh, Amaze is so beautiful. M-A-Z-E. Look at this thing, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful chart. Yo, focus. Man, I'm just it went from the support I had marked out all the way up to the resistance I had marked out, and I just don't know how I feel playing it in between. You know, like ideally I would want to buy it here, but then if it actually came all the way back down here before buyers bought it, I don't know how I would feel about buying it again. So I don't know. I think I would expect something around 77s maybe, or maybe this high, which is kind of playing with right now, 87. Um, I can't really remember what the daily was looking like. Yeah, I mean the daily doesn't look great at all. Um, at all. There's nothing inspiring about the daily to me. But, you know, nothing like a lot of volume and momentum to make something out of nothing. But um yeah, I mean, you know, maybe a little run up to 125 or something like that could be possible. But yeah, I don't know. I would feel like, you know, I missed the opportunity already. But, you know, maybe it breaks over pre-market high and holds, you know, there might be some opportunity there. I just don't know if I would want to play it back in that range, you know. Let me pay attention over here. Oh boy. Slow down now. I'm not trying to, oh gosh, get out of there. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Should I buy more? Should I buy more? Is the question. I should have bought more. I want to buy more. I want to see some real buying volume come back in, but it's a really nice hold of that level. 940, I'm telling you, 940 is something special happening right there. AMZE is it's looking really good right now. That's really nice. This volume coming back in. It really makes me want to buy it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Dang, man. What time is it? 5 minutes to the open. Dang, looks good. You gotta buy some of that on GP, bro. What is that, a penny? Like, how do I even trade this stuff, bro? How do I even trade this stuff? I mean, technically, you could wait for another higher low. That would be like the. Screen frozen again. Okay, my bad. Appreciate you guys like not being like, to hell with this guy and his stupid screen. I think it's time to add over here. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, it's time to at least stay here and pay attention before we get slipped and lose everything. I don't know. Get a little narrow range, something, man. I really kind of want to add right here. Just saying that I want to add it makes me feel better though. You know, even if I don't add. Just putting it on the record that I wanted to. Hey, I appreciate it, Trex. I appreciate you, Brian. I started Orb. I watched, how much of Orb did I watch? I watched the whole first episode. It was making me mad, bro. Because I don't know where this kid's gonna go with this guy telling him this foolishness. Bro, I want to add. I just want to see some volume, but I know the volume that I see is gonna happen on the candle that like moves away. But yeah, I need another dip. That was kind of a dip right there. Yeah. That's where I'm at in life now. Oh yeah, man. It's so good, bro. Me and my wife have like super good predator memories, man. We let's get out. All right, we're out of there. Even though that's probably the buy opportunity right there. It's just not worth the risk. We can buy back in later. So about break even on that exit. Yeah, buddy. Lost 12 cents on that. Look at our day, man. This is our day. This is our day so far. Oh, my bad. Screen frozen. Let me this is our day, bro. One ticker, one trade. Got an ad in there. Wasn't greedy. Sold right after the ad. Yo. This how, yeah. Yo. You see buys on support? Let's go. Yo, support is everything, man. And bro, it really is, bro. Sales are too quick. Hey, man, it be feeling like hot potato, bro. Whenever I feel anxious, bro, I'm just like, I would just rather sell. There's the volume right there. See, now this is like, oh, this is the open. Okay. I'm like, oh, there's the buyers. It's the open though. How come I didn't hear the bell? Usually does a bell for me. Ooh. What happened? Did anything happen just now? Did my order go through? Working? Bro, come on. Fill my order, bro. Maybe I don't want it to fill it. Yeah, maybe I don't want it to fill it. Okay, never mind. Now it's gonna fill it. Watch. It better not. It better not. It's going to. It's gonna be bad. uh, the most sketchy. What up, Santa? Looking like a peekaboo. And Lucy. Man, I forgot. I needed something else to watch over here. Okay, I can see Lucy. I can see that. Yeah, trading view just be lagging super hard at the open. Prometheus. Yeah, it would have been better to wait for this candle. It is not holding 940 at all. We're not going to do all that. Oh.
Order filled.
Let's go to break even now because this position was crazy. Actually, we can chill now. Lucy's still going lower. It's throwing volume though, holding that level. It looks. What level though? Is there a level? Is there really a level? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check it out. Waiting for a break over 180. All right, stopped out of that. Oh, I lost $6 on that stock. It's okay. Made 15 on that sale though. That was a bit reckless though. I let sentiment get ahead of me. SLRX did a great open. Oh, snaps. Yes, it did. Yeah, I think Amaze is interesting just in the sense that it is moving downwards and I want to catch it when it decides to change directions. Directions. Hmm. Hmm. That's pretty righteous. I think I might have to go on and yeah, Lucy needs some milk, bro. Just got stopped into a
Order
maze
filled.
and Lucy.
Order filled.
Update my screen capture. Got my stop loss here. Oh my God. I did not calculate my shares properly. We gotta get rid of a lot right now to keep this honest. All right, there we go. That makes more sense. That was ridiculous. All right, check it out. Check it out. Dang, bro, my entry. I needed to update my entry real bad. Entry is garbage. But it was a stop entry, so you're out. What the heck, bro? Terrible trade for me. I'm feeling good about a maze right now, though. Let's see if man, might be out of here a lot quicker than I expected. Yep. My stops needed to be low a day, to be honest, but that's how that goes. In on CMCT. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's gone. You out already? I think it's going. Yeah, this would have been cool right there. I was just about to try to get back in the 60s if I could. Wait for a higher low. Might get a ride in there. Oh man, Amaze stopped me out and went. Oh snap! Hold on. We getting too spread out. I need to chill.
Order
Oh,
filled.
jumped the gun on that, didn't I? Oh man, they better not feel me down there. Ah, they some haters for that one, bro. That's crazy for them to do me like that. That's some haters for them to do me like that. Okay, that's what we doing. All right, what am I feeling like I'm missing over here? I still think Amaze is worth another try. I just need it. Definitely need to get rid of that. Ain't really been called into that though. Man, CMCT. I need a good entry on it, man. That thing is, ooh, okay. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Yeah, straight up, dog. This was pretty sweet. I didn't get the best of it, but I got some. Yeah, that was pretty vicious there. Pretty vicious on that one. Let's go, Lucy. Oh gosh, market sales is not working out for me at all. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing that no more. I'm getting brutalized by doing that.
Order filled.
All right, I'm giving Amaze another shot. I think it's got the goods. I just jumped the gun a little bit. Actually, the main issue I had was not putting my stop where it should have been, honestly. So let's try this again. And I am going to sell. $75 of them things up there. ABEO. All right, I'm in a maze. Okay, now CMCT finally back down to 8. Let's see what that volume talking about. Yeah, I kind of jumped the gun on maze for sure. The volume ain't came in like that to be jumping in this mug way up there. Yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy. That was not an entry. CMCT. Jeez. Yeah, that was a really. I jumped the gun on this. I put it away and then I came back and bought it anyway. CMCT is done. Higher low over 8 though. Could be interesting. Let's jump in the gun too. What's up, 3 Pony? So I done gave back 2R so far. And well, thank you, sir. Man. Trying a maze without any buying volume coming in at all. Just like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Did I not put a stop buy order in just now? Did that not happen? Oh, I didn't confirm. Do I want to confirm? No, I don't. Oh. Okay, CMCT might be readying up. Can't dabble with no volume. Yeah, you're right about that. You gotta be a chart whisperer. Yeah. Sometimes the FOMO gets me and I gotta get in before I miss it. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to let CMCT go for the day. To be honest. And a maze. LRX. Yeah, I'm still jumping the gun. I wish my orders didn't lag, so when I change my mind, I could change it. All right, that should stop me out right there. That should have stopped me out break even. Pretty sure. Yeah. Sometimes you'll stop be in the perfect spot. Oh my God. I could see that happening so much. I need way more shares than that.
Order filled.
There we go. No trade so far, Stanford. Yeah, I've been trading CMCT. Had a great time with CMCT this morning. I'm just looking for some buyers. Is anybody out there? You said you had a level down here, didn't you, Trey? 780s or something? This joker don't want to hold nothing. This where the buy was. 782. I'm watching a maze for a higher low. Be super ballsy to just grab it right there, but I don't want to be ballsy. There goes SLRX. Still don't really see any buyers saying what up though. I just don't see it, son. I don't see it, son. All right, we got a nice high, new high made on the maze. Oh, we got some buyers in on CMCT now. All right, I still don't really see it on a maze though, but my curiosity's been piqued on CMCT for sure. I wish this high broke a little higher though.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what's popping. Let's see what's popping. But I will get the money win. That sucks. Add it
Order
again right
filled.
there. Mess around and use that market again. Stop order executed. Whatever. This is Lucy. Oh, double stop orders. It's so close. 815 a brick wall on CMCT. Hey. Hey. Yeah, I kind of thought Amaze was ready right there, but I think it'll give us a better shot here in a few minutes. I think I'm riding on Lucy's coattails a little too hard for no reason, I think so. But we'll see. Yeah, I couldn't wait, man. I had to hop in. Yeah. The day's already won for sure, Brian. There's nothing left to do but lose it. So definitely want to be cautious here. I think I want to get out of Lucy. Where's the volume? Okay. Okay. Show me some. Show me some. Ah, my bad. There we go. Appreciate it, Sal. There's your pullback to 8 on CMCT. What you gonna do with it? I don't know. Still feels kind of sketchy. Yeah, it feels sketchy. You got the double bottom on the 15 though. Or is this the 5? It's the 5. Ooh. That was bad. CMCT with the Destructo Ray. Destructo Ray.
Order filled.
I'm definitely over trading. Should have been walked. Stop 755. Man, bro, that was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. And now it's back up, bro. Stop playing. Brett Favre is taking over. Stop playing, bro. I know, man. I want to get back in. I'm chilling though. Already in 2 positions. This one's not looking great. I had no reason to buy this right here. That was foolish. That's kind of nice right there. A little bit. A lot. I've gotten carried away here. I'll have to show you here in a minute. These are, I guess these are all my sales. I got CMCT, AMZE, and Lucy. IPTX. Yo, CMCT looking kind of solid now. It's looking kind of solid now. It's really not though. It's really not. Yeah, for sure. There's tomorrow. Getting ready to mess up my rockstar morning. I don't have any major levels drawn on this thing to be confident on where I decided to buy this. This is purely based on price action and very mid volume. But more than knives. Oh, snaps. Back over my entry. It is, bro. It's going really well, honestly. Still got a little FOMO here and there, but overall, I think the support trades are shining brightly. Yeah, boy. Come on, Lucy. I knew you had some sauce left in you, Lucy. I knew it. I knew you did. Come on with it, man. Come on with it. It's time. Go to your home. Hey, CMCT is like, come to me. Come to me now. I am here for you. knives. That's a good entry. We'll take that. We're not risking like that though. Yeah, I feel the same way, but I'm starting to get some buyer vibes. Lucy is stressing me out a bit, I must admit. Small pops and big flushes, yeah, it's not a good combo, huh? Dang it, Lucy, we were so close. We were so close, Lucy. I should have made sure to sell on that. That's kind of a big move on the 5 there. SLRX looks like it's pretty dead. CMCT. I think we're cool if we can get another high. I'll feel good about the uptrend kicking off. Just over 815. Yeah, I feel you. Come on, Lucy. Please restart. There's got to be a hotkey I can make on my stream deck to restart capture. Feels like a fool's errand now over here on SLRX. CMCT looking good though. I actually kind of want to add right here. Second green candle. I don't know. This might be a fool's errand as well. I kind of like it though. Yeah, I'm hoping we can see 2 again on it. I feel pretty good about it. Ugh, CMCT, bro. Why can't I just stay away? Go 69. Yeah, it's curtains. I'm gonna get stopped and ran. Micro Don, what's going on? FTCI. This was doing something yesterday too, wasn't it? Super spiky SLRX. Why did I have to do SLRX, bro? It wasn't ready. It wasn't ready, bro. You didn't have no reason to buy that. Now both of these is about to stop. He was wilding. Straight wilding. Both of these is just like trash dumpsters. Yeah, no doubt, Trey. Played myself. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm actually not worried about this one at all. I will tighten up the wrist though. Slightly. Stop loss for the win. Oh. It's so out in the middle of nowhere. Everything's going bad now. Bro, I'll mess around and have a green to red move in this moment. Being reckless. I was literally finished for the day at the open. Looks pretty good. Really?
Order filled.
Man, she need to go on and do that. Dang, stopped out on CMCT, man. Hey, look at that nice pop on SLRX, man. Oh, really? On CMCT? I'm done. I'm not touching it at all today no more. I'm through. I'm mad. Join the Discord, bro. Focus, you can get you a channel, bro. You can teach your method of polishing diamonds. SLRX. No, I meant in the Discord. Come on, Lucy. Bro, 9:23, bro. Both of my joints popping right now. Man, we gotta break 195. That is the number to break, folks. This looks terrible to me. No one wanna wake up when you wake up. I'm trying, bro. We got two green candles through VWAP down to the 185 level. And now, if this candle can just break through 195, I think I got my TP in the bag. And this looks like some pretty good R's on this too. Pretty good R's indeed. bro. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. Hmm. I like that, Hamed. That's exactly the objective, man. Swim with the big fish. Catch the little fish chunks that come floating between their gills. Come on, man. Hey, CMCT just did the thing on the 5. I'm not tripping. Oh, that's the 1. Yeah, that's not meaningful enough. You'd have to sell at 8. Who you talking about, Trey? Man. LPTX. Wow. She's a runner. She's a track star. Oh, yeah, you're a breakout trader. Yeah, I see this and I'm like, oh, yeah, it's gone. But you see it and you're like, yeah, buddy. Small red day, Stanford. That's cool. Got to keep the winner small. I mean, the loser small. That's good. Half a R. That's real good, man. That's real good for a red day. Half a R is good. How long you been trading, Hamad? Still no trade, so. CMCT looking interesting, man. I can't lie. I can't hold you. I wish it wasn't, cause I really want to be done with it forever. I really can't take any more trades today, honestly. I am in hope mode, hoping that these last two things can get me out of the trouble I got myself into by giving back so much of my day. Oh man, Lucy. Lesson is not to overtrade. Yeah, I was feeling good. I had one loss after my win, and I was still up 4R. I was like, yeah, I can leave now. Did I leave? No, there goes CMCT. Lucy playing all the games. All of them. I hope it's ready to go now, though. It's a nice retest. What the heck? Oh man. Oh man, what? I had an order sitting up here? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I'm getting out of that. You gotta be kidding me. Dang, what I just stop out on? Wow, that was the shortest, dumbest. Okay, no. Oh, SLRX. Straight through the hole. Yeesh. Wow, I'm like done on the day. That sucks.
Order filled.
Man, CMCT did me cold, bro. I actually wanted it down there, and I was kind of looking like if it pulls back. This was the spot, though. It was clear the buyers had stepped in. And then I just had a random order sitting there that actually would have paid me pretty well, but that's not how we're trading. Now I'm yeah, I'm about to get let out on Lucy. I think we got a pretty good RR situation coming up on the maze though. This is like this is where I messed up. I shouldn't have never put this level in here. Yeah, nah, I didn't mean to chase that. That was I just had an order sitting there. Well, Lucy finally kicked me out. And I'm red on the day. Yesterday I went from negative 5R to up 6R, and today I went from up 5R to now minus 1R. Yeah, a pullback to CMCT now at to 8 would be pretty clutch. You still think it's done, Sal? Hey, hey. Missed that. Let that cook a little bit more. Of course, my screen's frozen. Not bad, y'all. Just in time, nephew.
Order filled.
Nice. Bruh. That second hammer on CMCT on the 5, that was very actionable. That was very actionable.
Order filled.
Yeah, give me like a red 5 minute. Definitely need a red 5 minute candle at this point on CMCT. I'm not buying after 3 greens for sure. So maybe 2 red candles and it'll be ready. It's looking like it's ready on the 1 right now, but I just don't want to man, if it's gonna squeeze though, that's gonna be the entry. SLRX. Back down to it broke the lows. Yeah. This thing looks terrible. Maybe not though. Let's wait for a higher low on SLRX. See what's going on there. Man, bro, CMCT, bro. I just want that 5 to close red. That might be it, though. I know it's super tricky, man. I kind of wanted to pull through, but pull in a little more. Like really another 5 minute red candle would be nice. I'm trying not to forget about SLRX over here, because I think it's about time for SLRX to move to the front of the congregation. Trying not to FOMO that thing. Lucy still look kind of viable too, to be honest. To me, yeah, I know.
Order filled.
T-Lo. Maze could be really amazing if it goes. Come on in. Come on in. We still froze. We froze again. All right. All right. We got too much action over here to be freezing like this. Oh, come on now. Yeah, if it needs another 5 minute red candle, we're cooked. And that's what it looks like. I should have been more patient. That might have been support right there, though. We got our stop in the right spot. Under 8. I don't know. It's looking real funky right in here. It's looking real sketchy. Froze again. Come on, man. You really don't need another low end. You really don't. You could really bounce right here and everything will be fine. They gonna run the stops, bro. They gonna run the stops.
Order filled.
Stoppage. I know this is the time to buy right here. I should have waited. Nah, this was a accidental buy. I just had an order sitting out that I forgot about. This was my buy right here. Lucy stopped me out on the low, of course. That's what I was waiting for on SLRX. VWAP way up there. All right.
Order filled.
Yeah, we doing a lot today. Dang, bro, Lucy did me dirty. I know. Lucy did me dirty. Nah, I did myself that way. It ain't even Lucy's fault. Did it to myself. And then I'm over here dumpster diving for what? Why are we here exactly? Can't say for certain. I said it out loud. I needed to wait for two red 5-minute candles, but I just couldn't wait, could I? Couldn't wait. Don't you hate it when your entry price becomes resistance? Until 3:30 was that power hour? This is total. Nah, I haven't. I haven't had any time. Oh, I took some foolish trades at the end of my day. Arc Raiders. Wow, imagine this buy right here. Zero hour. I started to get into PC then. PC when I got my PC.
Order filled.
I really wanted to dip buy at 805, but didn't look like it was coming to get it.
Order filled.
Yo, Felipe. What's going on? Yeah, I'm in it to win it now. I guess because it's like, don't overstray just for the channel. No, I'm definitely doing it for myself right now. I am, I mean, I do feel like I'm seeing some trades now, but I probably shouldn't even trust myself at this point. But oof. SLRX. That's not that bad. Definitely got some resistance action there. Dang, I stopped out on something already. Break even on the maze. Womp womp. Oh man, CMCT got me again, man. Got me again. Stop was pretty tight too, though. All right. Said I was done with CMCT like 2 or 3. Yeah, it crashed out badly today. Hmm. Dang, I can't believe I got these buys and I didn't get sales here. Yeah, I can't even. I guess I can look at my trades and just see what I was thinking. But one thing I noticed is that I don't have any lines on Lucy or really SLRX. Really difficult. My bad, y'all. Thanks for hanging out, though. This thing looking like I'm still in a position. I'm not in anything right now. I got slizzapped. Total crash out today. Like that's actually one of the main things. Like me finding these support plays that I've been doing now is great. Like that's super awesome, and I feel like that's gonna help me a lot and give me a better edge to the way I want to approach the market. But the real sauce and what I thought about while I was taking my break is the ability to just walk away when it's time to walk away and not just sit here and piddle around, and just like that's pretty much what I was doing, just kind of piddling around, trying things when the work was done, bro. The work was done. The work was done, man. So, um, I kind of have a very loose like off switch. Like it's easy for me to jump into like two or three trades real quick, like without even thinking about it. Like, oh, that looks kind of cool. Let me pop, pop, and oh yeah, let me pop, pop, pop. You know, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna try to keep that mindset a little more tomorrow focused. Just like a limited number of trades, and to come in with like a focused intent. Like, all right, I need to hit these checkpoints. Once I hit these checkpoints, then I'm out. Whether that be, three losses or, being up this many and giving back 1R or. But that was ridiculous because, man, we had a freaking awesome morning on CMCT. And maybe that was part of my attachment to it. Why I just couldn't help but keep going back and trading it, because freaking killed CMCT in pre market, like Destructo Ray. And then it Destructo Rayed me. Like, we killed it pre market. This was a freaking sweet entry. Bow, 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 bow. Added right here, got out again, bow, and then out break even on the last piece, which was small. But and then I got a little excited here at the open, but this even worked out still. Bought here, sold up there, and got out the rest there. So that was even a good trade. But then honestly, like this is one thing I do want to kind of have a big picture on, and that's I still want to be trading something that's uptrending. And like honestly, if you're looking at this from here, you're like, all right, we got a high, then we got a higher low, and now we're approaching, continuation of the trend. But once we get that lower high in, and then we break the last swing low, like this is no longer uptrending. And if I could have just looked at that and been like, all right, this is my line in the sand, this low right here, and once that's broken, I'm out of there, and then we just don't even approach this down here. Um, it's kind of, especially the fact that it broke it. Like if it actually held this level, you know, if it held this level, then it's like, all right, we're bouncing back off support. Buyers stepped back, but it slammed through that level and closed through it for the next four candles. That thing's dead. That thing's dead, bro. What else did I trade? Lucy. Lucy, I kind of just jumped in this off the on the back of uh well, I was looking at this support level in pre-market, and then it closing above it on this big high volume candle, I was just like, oh wait, I took that. Let me see how I traded that one. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this was really aggressive. It was really aggressive, but man, I don't know if I would take this again. I don't think I would. I really took this off the strength of focus. I mean, I was watching it on this level in pre-market, but it didn't really do anything at that level to really give me confidence to take it. Um, I needed to get a sell off right here, man. These were cool little buys right here. I just didn't sell none. And it worked out. Yeah, it definitely worked out. I don't know. My win percentage is definitely trash today. Cause yeah, I just hella overstayed my welcome. Just a lot of board over trading. Like I'm in positions and I'm waiting for them to play out and I'm just like looking at other stuff. Uh uh Maze. Yeah, this was my only good trade on a maze for sure. And it's the level that I wanted pre-market. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just sad I missed that right there, and this right there, and that right there. Yeah, this was my mistake up here. I think I still got some sales, did I? Nah. Yeah, that's the thing for sure. That's what's so good about pre-market for me, because all the only thing that was to do was look at CMCT, and so that's what I did. Yeah, I gotta focus on just being more intentional about the trades I take and not falling into them before, because I know what I want to see. Like some of these trades I take, like it's FOMO, but it still hasn't really. There's like two kinds of FOMO for me. It's like it's already shown me what I need to see, and I'm chasing. And then it's like it hasn't shown me, but it looks like it could, and I'm scared that by the time it shows me, it's gonna be gone, and so I want to get in before it shows me, and that's the one that kills me. They're both terrible. Yeah, that's not a bad. That's hard for me to do though. Focus. It's hard for me to be in a trade and to see something that I think is good and to not take it. For the reason for me to not take it be that I'm already in a trade. Like I've been trading multiple stocks at a time for too long for that to work for me. It's just like, but it's important. I trade better when I'm focused on one thing for sure. So if I make sure that that one thing is the best opportunity, that would be the thing to do. Hmm. Because that way I can get my sales, my ads. I can be dialed in, focused, focus. um, yeah, I think my speed, my focus. Well, most of my main issue with my speed right now is this platform. I don't have my hotkeys, my hot buttons. You know, I'm uh I'm really fumbling through all my orders. Yeah, this is just my main objective with this platform is just buying at support. Like that's really what I want to do. It's just basically working on plotting support and being patient and buying at that level. Yeah. Yeah, and I don't want to do that, Stanford, because that's what I was kind of mentioning with CMCT. Like I'm a long trader and I want to be trading things that are moving overall on the upside, you know. And once it's not moving like on the higher time frames, once it's downtrending on the higher time frames, I don't really want to mess with it, you know, because now it's like we're going against the trend on a macro scale, you know. Um, but in the micro scale, I do want to be a contrarian. I'm looking for the downtrend into support, and that's what I want to see. Yeah, no doubt, Tilo. Beating a nail with a spoon right now. uh, ENGN yesterday. What was ENGN yesterday? I don't have my executions because I reset the. Okay, let me see what you talking about here. Let me put it on the 15. Yeah, like I mean, it's a little deeper of a retracement, but we're still technically uptrending. You know, I can't remember where I bought it at, but like we get the higher high, higher low, which you kind of can give it a little space as far as pulling back in. Uh, uh, bet you can see it even better on the hourly. Yeah, look at the hourly. Like this thing was an uptrend all the way till this point. You know. Yeah, I agree. Trey. Major takeaway today. Are you asking me or are you about to present me my major takeaway? Yeah, I feel that, Sal. A big part of me loves the momentum of that and seeing the buyers. And it's like, all right, we're buying here. Like, I'm good to buy. But that's just a different group of buyers. I want to buy the ones that are waiting at support. I want to buy with those guys. Buying on the one, and after you take PP, you don't adjust your time frame to a bigger size. Yeah, and that's another thing too. When I had my old platform, every stock that I had on watch, I could see it on the 15, the 5, and the 1. And so it just helped me keep a higher time frame perspective, which I'm lacking right now. Hmm. I want to argue with you about two, but I'm going to go ahead and let you have that one. Because you watched me trade today. So, yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, I think with the idea of zooming out and making sure I'm staying in an uptrend on the uh macro level, like I can that's where I can put my line in the sand. Like this, this is my bottom support level and be like, if it breaks that, I'm done with it for the day because the uptrend is broken. Yeah, I actually normally do a review video after my trades and talk through them and take notes on them. But just because I'm paper trading, I haven't really uh, picked that up, even though I could benefit tremendously from it. Um, I do try to take screenshots though. Yeah, that's true focus. You're right. Yeah, I know. Because when you see that junk, you're like, why did I do this? Yeah, that's facts. That's facts. Huh. Well, I think I was on like a 3 day or 4 day green streak and did what people do normally and come in here and blow it up. uh, what a glorious start to the day though. I was like, yeah, it's locked in now. And then it's like, don't forget about this part. Don't forget about this part of your game where you just keep on trading. Yeah, that's true too. Yeah. All right. Got some good takeaways from today. Uh yeah, it definitely sucks trading this platform. Uh there's just so many of the tools that I'm used to trading with and not having, like my keys and timing sales and level 2 and being able to see as many of the charts that I want to see in the different time frames and stuff. But yeah, today was cool. Today was there have been days where I want to see no wins. Like I just so to actually, see at least a couple performances of exactly what I want to do is nice for sure. Like, okay, I get the concept, I understand, I know what you do. This is it right here. And this is like super patient too. Cause really, like, I don't know. It would have been sweet to get in here for sure, but there's no confirmation at that point. There kinda is though. Like you really could get in here. But it's okay to wait. By this point, I was pretty sure. Even though this was sketchy. This was super sketchy. At 760. Just now? Okay. I like the buying volume just rolled up in there. 735. That's a wide stop. I think 747 would be cool for a stop. Give it all the way to lower day, huh? I ain't mad at you. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Focus. I'm confident. Proper stop, lower day. Yeah. I just be thinking like if I'm right about this entry right here, it should not go lower than this level right here. To me, when you give a wide stop past previous lows, then that means you're willing to be wrong. You want to stay in the trade even if you're wrong about your micro idea, perchance that the macro will step in and save you. That's kind of what that feels like to me. Um, but I did get a couple stop outs today by not using the last 5 minute swing. So Yeah. Nah, he's talking about that's our goal, bro. We're setting a goal for 100K in 6 months, which sounds ridiculous saying it out loud to you guys. It felt more reasonable just DMing Focus back and forth about it, but now saying it out loud, like, boy, if you don't sit down somewhere, 100K and what? Take the what and left the what? It's just about focusing on small percentages each day, and it's like a challenge by doing that on how you can turn 1,000 to 100K in 6 months. But it's just so hard to. It's hard to. I guess it's not hard. It's just I realize there's no point in it. Like having solid expectations, like to say, all right, 100K in 6 months, let's do it. Like to realistically think about that and to expect and to be like, yeah, I can do it. It's just, I want to have that motivation and belief. Like I do believe in myself on that level, like extremely. But I've always believed in myself on that level. But now I have a track record of seeing myself not do that. And so that's when it gets hard to say, yeah, man, I got this. Like, I mean, I got it eventually. It's kind of like what the star, the asterisk that I want to put in there. Like, eventually, yeah. But even though I feel like I have the skills to do it right now, it's just so much of the other stuff, man. Like the stuff that made me throw my green day in the garbage pail today. Like that's the stuff that I'm worried about, not the opportunities being there to make those trades and me having the skill to see those opportunities and take those trades. It's the other stuff, man. It's the over trading. It's all the over trading. It's the over trading. It's FOMOing into stuff without really thinking about it. Like that stuff. Yeah, nah, I mean I definitely got I usually have my trading journal with Trader Sync and I'm pretty serious about logging my stuff, logging my stats and stuff. I just kind of went on a hiatus and now I'm working my way back to my full professional routine and right now I'm just literally focused on the gaining experience of drawing support levels and trading off of them. That's kind of my thing that I'm doing every day, which is kind of why it's easy for me to just keep trading because I'm like I'm collecting data, but I don't need to collect them with my trades, like with my buys and sells. Like I can just like note things. uh, yeah, the rules for sure. 70% win rate on reversals. Yeah. Hmm. I might have to throw that 200 on there. What time frame you watch the 200 on the one? Yeah, I see Lucy over there. Lucy been taunting me. Lucy and CMCT been taunting me all day. I don't even want to talk to now one of them. Yeah, pretty much look at that. Yeah, Lucy look cooked. Will it even let me put up another? I think it will. Mm. Yo, Salam Habibi. Appreciate you, bro. That's super cool, man. Yeah, nah, I really don't want to mess with no EMAs. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Volume, level, and pattern. That's all I need. And the trend is your friend. No doubt, bro. I appreciate you. Um, yeah. Am I Arab? My father is Egyptian. 100K challenge. And my mama black. Born in the US of A, Los Angeles, California. Yeah, we got this, focus. We got this. Bro, I'm really disappointed I didn't get that sale here. When I get my hotkeys back, bro, I'm gonna be slapping it. Cause man, when I see this, bro, that's one thing I really feel like I've gained is that I'm ready to sell. Like I'm not willing to look at these types of moves and just sit there like, all right, I'm waiting for $2. Like, nah, let me get a few off right here. For sure. Oh yeah. You still got it. I've been wanting to go back for a long time. I haven't been since I was like 7. Hmm. Yeah, it's going down, focus. I'm really excited. I'm gonna see if my broker will let me trade on the demo account like a week before. He probably nah. You gotta slide them ducats, my boy. Yeah, dang, that's super nice. He gonna be like, you want to trade on the demo? You need to slide them ducats, my boy. The trend is your friend. Does it though? I don't think so, bro. At 810. Got at least 820 in there, Stanford. Lucy's uptrending, bro. Okay, not here. It was not uptrending, but it was up. Yeah, it was dead. But I said Lucy was not. I when I looked at Lucy, I was like, yeah, I pretty much traded Lucy on the strength of focus because it wasn't. There was nothing I would have seen from there, like really, to make me want to take that trade. Yeah, if it's gapping up, it's up. But it just I don't want to trade it after it's just broke down. Like I use ST Global. I think I got a link for them still in my description. They're an offshore broker, which I wonder if that's gonna be Stone Age when the PDT rule changes. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, that's what's up. I like you adjusting the risk based on the idea. Reversal gain. Okay, so we all on the same page now. If it's gapping up, it's up. But I still, yeah, I'm still looking for it to like stay up a little bit though. Like, like I'm cool with this bounce. You know what I mean? But like it start breaking down. It's like, nah, man. Yeah. We're gonna figure it out. We're definitely close enough to the same page where I think we can help get each other where we need to be, man. It's pretty cool. We got this support gang. And it works out because we got the breakout traders too. So we always got some folks we can sell our shares to. Anyway, I gotta get out of here, y'all. Had a great time today, even though I totally fumbled the bag. But I got some really nice trades out of it. And some lesson learners. I got some really good exercise in selling. I think I had some pretty good sales. Also learned to not use the market sell on TradingView because it sucks. And yeah, man, I'm excited tomorrow. I actually want to get in here even earlier. Like the earlier I get, the longer my trading session can be before I start eating into my day and feeling bad about it, like right now. I love this game, man. I love this game, man. I really, 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 really hope that we can make it, man. I'd love to do this for years to come. Streaming with you guys. Hey, nice work, Stanford. Nice work, man. You calling it, or are you gonna keep going? Um, but yeah, man, this is cool. This is cool. Can build a nice little community, help people with a good approach to trading. Hopefully, I can be some sort of example to that one day. Risk management. That's the thing I think I'm good at a little bit. Watch orb, yeah, yeah. I'm on, bro. That concept trade has definitely been having an influence on me, man. I just really see the benefit of just those small trades, man. Those base hits, bro. They seriously add up. Like when I was just looking like my profits, none of them are crazy. Trip to Egypt next winter. Let's go, bro. We can. Hey, yo, my family be throwing down. My family, my Egyptian side, they're the type that, like, bro, it's scary. Cause the food is so good, but they want you to eat so much where it's like it's almost disrespectful to not kill yourself. Like as soon as you feel like, oh man, I'm almost done, Auntie finna reach over your shoulder with a spoon. You like it? You go. And not like, yeah, I like that. I wouldn't mind a little taste, a couple more spoonfuls just to have a little bit. Nah, here's a whole plate more so you enjoy here. And if you're not eating, they're not gonna be like, oh, you full. They're gonna be like, you don't like it? No, no, I don't. It's so good. Please stop it. Please. You're turning this memory of delicious food into a painful experience. Like stop. Good times, man. I totally wrecked the day, Knives. Totally wrecked the day, bro. Totally wrecked the day. My bad. Let me restart my capture. Totally wrecked the day. Yeah, I'm mad. Know what I mean, bro. I just started over trading, bro, and went from I don't know what I was up like 4R, 5R or something, and yeah, did a total turnaround. But we learned some good lessons today, and yeah, no doubt, no doubt. I got a lot of good experience buying off support, and I think I put a few coins in the bucket towards knowing when to sit on my hands for tomorrow. Uh, for example, when you're up 4R on the day, you should sit on your hands. Yeah, no doubt. Bullshit. I mean, I need a give back rule. Like, okay, I don't. Maybe you don't have to stop, but when you go from 4R to 2R, don't make empty promises. Nah, bro, I was good, bro. I would have been very happy to have just walked away, but I'll go ahead and accept my lessons. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely hold me to that. 4R is home run, bro. You gotta walk away. Like you just gotta close it. You just gotta manage your positions at 4R, bro. Yeah, max loss forever, no doubt. Okay, that I think that'll make things a little more closer to reality if we do that tomorrow. Have a max loss rule and max give back. Four good trades. All right, we'll try that. We'll see. It's got to feel right in here, though. That's the thing. But four trades is good. Like, four trades is honestly a lot. Like, four opportunities for the way I like to trade, as far as, being in a trade for a significant move. Four in a day is pretty good. Yeah, you ain't lying, bro. You ain't lying. Yeah. All right, brothers, fellas, traders. I am going to let everything compress and compile in the brain and come back tomorrow. Uh, yeah, definitely got to get back to the lab. I got to take screenshots of all these trades. I definitely need to because I was looking for them. I wanted to go over them on my phone while I was at work. Like I was literally like, bro, I was thinking about one of the trades. Like, man, I wish I had the screenshot on my phone. Um, you know what? Let me do that now before I get off here because download 0 hour tomorrow. The game on PC. I actually have Steam on my virtual windows, so I could still get it and play it off my Mac. It does pretty good too. But all right, all right, so we had Lucy, CMCT. I need a big chart for this one, boy. Guess we can take I guess I can take 2 screens for this one. SLRX. That's another one I feel silly for trading is SLRX. That's another one I kind of got from you, Focus, without really having a solid conviction to trade it. And it was super late in the day, too. I could have definitely left that alone. Volume was kind of dead. Yeah. Definitely not happy about that entry. This entry was a little bit more understandable. Yeah, no doubt. Oh, Canada. I didn't realize, I guess I didn't put 2 and 2 together. They're both of y'all Canadians. Samurai's the Canadian too, isn't he? I just thought about those South Park characters with the little pill head dudes. uh, yeah, the time for my approach was terrible, for sure. That was my bad. I'm not blaming you at all, Focus. I'm just saying, like, I didn't, because I'm sure I didn't buy where you bought it anyway. Yeah, that would have been a cool little level right there. Oh, that was sweet off the open, man. Yeah, that would have been sweet off the open for sure. That was the level to play SLRX. Now it's pretty much a wrap. Maybe a quick little bounce on that one, but you got to get out of there. Super far under VWAP. Yeah. Yeah, that was straight garbage. Straight guard for this to be the support level, and I'm buying here. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Oh, amaze. Yeah, that's super. Like looking at that, like, come on, bro. This one's okay, but this, come on, fam. Come on, fam. All right, think that's everything. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. Appreciate you for hanging out. Hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you have not. Discord links in the description. Y'all be easy, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.